What is happening, guys? Vimal here, back with a new video. A lot of people usually keep looking to buy a good quality tablet with new gen features at an affordable price point, right? Maybe for like entertainment purpose, or even if you're a student and looking to buy a tablet for college education purpose that has support for like stylus pen inputs and not to miss out 5G SIM cards and obviously some new gen AI features, right? You people actually came to the right video. Today in the home, I got my hands on a brand new tablet from Lenovo. This is their all new IdeaTab 2025 and actually offers some very interesting features at an affordable price point, guys. Pricing starts at only around like 17,999 rupees and packs features like a 2.5K resolution 90Hz IPS display, quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and as I've told you, comes bundled with a stylus pen in the package and obviously some new gen AI features, guys. 5G nano SIM card support is also there. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and talk about this product in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And wait a second, I forgot to mention, this video was made in collab with Lenovo. A big thank you to them. And by the way, guys, whatever feedback, experience I'll be sharing in this video, right, they're completely based on my opinion only, nothing influenced by anyone. So our brand new Lenovo IdeaTab came in this sort of packaging. You've got the Lenovo branding on the front, picture of the product as well, and I've told you, right, it's an AI powered tablet at a reasonable price point and also comes included with a stylus pen in the package. There's nothing mentioned on the front. Going to the back side, here you can check out all of its main spec details, features and highlights. We'll talk about all of these anyhow once we get started with the unboxing part, right? So first of all, let me grab my knife, tear this packaging and show you how the product looks like. As soon as you open the box, right, there you go, boys, our brand new Lenovo IdeaTab at the top. We'll come back to the tablet in a moment. Keeping that aside, in the package you also get some accessories. Just make sure to read this, guys. You've got plenty of paperwork over here. A SIM ejection tool is also there, and this is that stylus pen I was talking about. Lenovo Tab pen, guys, and has plenty of interesting features. Good quality stylus pen and runs on AAA battery on the inside. Last but not the least, you're also getting a 20-watt power adapter for charging and a Type-C cable for the power adapter. So that was our quick unboxing part. Let me give you a closer look at this tablet and first of all talk about the overall design, build quality, and let me give you like a complete walk around this product. Lenovo's all new IdeaTab 2025 has a beautiful look and feel, especially for the price that you're paying. I've told you at the beginning, right, it's available in different colors. Today in the home we have the Luna Grey edition. You're getting an all metal body with a beautiful Lenovo logo at the center, and that is pretty much it. Clean and minimal looking design. So first of all, let me give you like a complete walk around, talk about the display, IO ports and everything. Starting off from the front profile, the IdeaTab 2025 features 11 inches 2.5K resolution 90Hz IPS display. At the top side you do have a 5 megapixel selfie camera, and that is pretty much it. There's nothing else over here. Starting off from the right profile, you're getting a volume rocker over here, and quality of the buttons is also nice. And also check out the frame, guys. Frame is also entirely made of metal and has rounded corners body, guys. Definitely gives you that nice aesthetics and comfortable feel when you're holding. You've got antenna bands on the body because at the beginning I've told you, right, this tablet is available in like two different variants. You get Wi-Fi only edition and Wi-Fi plus 5G SIM card model is also there, guys. On the other side, you've got magnetic Poco pin connectors to attach accessories like Lenovo's Folio keyboard. Going to the top profile, here you're getting two set of speakers, guys. Totally quad speakers are there along with Dolby Atmos support. This one is your power button and that is pretty much it. On the bottom side, you got one more set of speakers. A USB-C port is there at the center and a 3.5mm headphone jack is also available on this model. Definitely appreciate that, Lenovo. So that is pretty much it, our complete walk around, and here's how the back profile looks like. I've already told you about the whole design, right? You're getting an all metal body and build quality is also very nice. Not to forget, it is also IP52 dust and water resistant. Good thing is the back profile doesn't seem to attract fingerprints that easily, so maintenance definitely looks a bit on the easy side. Let me also give you a closer look and talk about the camera. You're getting a rare 8 megapixel autofocus camera which can be very useful, especially for like students, for video conferencing, meetings and stuff like that. Even the camera bump is also quite minimum. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the dimensions, right? The tab is roughly around like 0.28 inches in thickness and hardly weighs around like 470-480 grams. You can easily take it around anywhere, not an issue at all. So that's it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the product and then be right back to continue this video. So there you go, boys, our tab is all set up and good to go. And before we move on to the software, built-in apps, home screen experience, first of all, let me tell you, Lenovo's all new IdeaTab comes with Android version 15 operating system. And the company has specified that this tablet will be getting 2 years of OS upgrades and 4 years of security patches. So nothing to worry about that. Anyways, here's how the home screen experience looks like. You're getting a clean and modern modern looking UI. Very minimal apps guys, you just have like Google Apps pre-installed and a couple of applications from Lenovo which might be quite useful for the stylus pen inputs and stuff like that. No unnecessary bloatware, nothing like that. And let's just quickly head over to the settings and check out the other details. Plenty of settings are available, like for example in the display section, right, you can adjust the screen color mode, reading mode is also there, and in the sound section you can access the Dolby Atmos EQ profiles and settings. Below that you've got a couple of other interesting features like pen and stylus input features. You can adjust variety of things, and a couple of multitasking features are also built into the tablet. We'll talk about all of these features at a later part in the video. Now heading over to the about tablet section, here you'll find the complete spec details and everything. And talking about the storage, I've already told you at the beginning, right, this tablet is available in like multiple memory configurations. You get 4 plus 128, 8 plus 256 is also there. Today we have the 8GB RAM and 256GB UFS 2.2 storage edition, and out of the box you'll roughly get around like 230 to 35GB of usable space. Now I've already been using the tablet for quite some time, installed a couple of apps and games, right, that is the reason we are left with around like 226GB of free space guys, so it is plenty. And not to forget, you can even install a micro SD card and expand the storage up to 2TB. That is definitely an added benefit. So what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play a couple of videos over here, just have a look at them, and then we'll get back and talk about the overall display quality and built-in speakers performance. First of all, let me tell you, Lenovo's all-new Idea tab comes with 11 inches 2.5K resolution, 2560 by 1600 to be precise, 90Hz IPS display guys, and I'm telling you, right, binged watched a variety of content, not just like simple YouTube videos, but also a couple of movies and web series on OTT platforms. And let me tell you, for the price that you're paying, right, Lenovo is offering like a very good quality display. There is great amount of detail, 2.5K resolution at this 11 inches size, everything looks crisp and clear guys. Text is like easily readable, great amount of clarity. Contrast ratio, black levels are also nice. And coming to colors, this is an IPS panel guys that supports up to like 100% sRGB color gamut range, which roughly converts to around like 72% NTSC color gamut range. And overall good results is what I can say. It is producing like on point and accurate colors guys. I mean, check out these demo videos and clips over here. If you talk about the brightness of the panel is also nice. It can easily hit around like 450-500 nits of brightness, and I had no issues checking out the display in most of the situations. So keeping the display part aside, let me tell you about the built-in speakers. Audio on this thing is special guys. I mean, you're getting quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support, 2 speakers on the left and 2 speakers on the right, and the experience that you're getting like mind-blowing for the price is what I can say. Great amount of detail guys, no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be music videos, movies, web series content, right, you will be like quite blown away with the audio experience for the price that you're paying. And output also like quite loud and satisfactory is what I can say. So this is a part you people have been waiting for, right? How is the overall performance of this tablet? So before we get to the benchmarks and talk about everything, first of all, let me tell you about the hardware specs and features. This tablet is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 6300 octa-core chipset, and you're getting Mali G57 GPU on board. Not to forget, if you talk about the memory configuration, we have the 8GB LPDDR4X RAM paired with 256GB UFS 2.2 storage. So before I share anything about the benchmarks or overall performance, right, first of all, keep in mind that it's an affordable category tablet mainly made for like students, education purpose, creative applications at a budget price tag guys. So don't expect like powerful results, or you will be able to do like AAA sort of gaming at high graphic settings and stuff like that. No, Lenovo has like separate premium lineup. You got their Idea Tab Pro series tablets, Legion gaming tablets are there. So depending on your requirement, you can go for that. For day-to-day related work, Tab was definitely doing a good job and gets your work done. I've told you, right, I've been using the Tab for almost like 2 weeks and did variety of works, like, you know, my day-to-day office related works, use that stylus a lot for creative applications, and also binge watched plenty of movies and YouTube videos guys. And for this sort of moderate usage and application side, Tab was actually performing very well. Not to miss out, you're also getting like a high refresh rate 90Hz display, right, so that also definitely adds to the overall experience. I've ran a couple of benchmarks, just have a look at them, and overall performance was nice. I didn't face much of lags and stutters, but if you're actually running like multiple number of apps in the background, right, maybe like 3 to 4 Chrome tabs open in the background, at the same time you're accessing your mails or maybe like doing some creative applications, there you might experience a little bit of stutter, especially while opening and closing or switching between the apps. But once everything settles down, right, overall experience was smooth. I know some of you people might even ask about the gaming performance. Again, as I've told you, it's not made for gaming purpose, but that doesn't mean you cannot play games on it. Yes, it is decent for like casual gaming experience as well. You can play all your casual games. And what casual games? I could even run like Asphalt Legends as well, but at low profile settings. Okay, one feature I really liked on this tablet is Lenovo is giving like full multitasking capabilities, guys. Say for example, if you want to use like 2 applications or 3 applications at the same time, you can definitely do that. Simply open an app and click on these 3 dots at the top side, and that's it. It'll give you an option to go split screen mode, and now you can actually open a second application on the split screen window just like this. You can maybe use it for watching YouTube at the same time and also open Chrome browser, guys. And let me tell you, if these are the only 2 applications you're running at the same time, right, I didn't face any sort of lags and was definitely working, guys. Overall had a good experience. And not just split screen mode, you can even go like floating window as well. Say for example, you want to open a Chrome browser in floating mode while watching YouTube video behind that. Yes, you can do that. So really appreciate these sort of tablet multitasking features. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part. How is the stylus pen performance? So I've been using it for like writing notes in an artistic way, or maybe for like drawings, creating like really nice artistic panels, and it was doing a good job. Tab was easily recognizing the stylus inputs, and best part is the latency, the lag was like quite a minimum, especially considering the price point. I was totally not expecting that. And apart from this, at the beginning only I've told you, right, you're getting a lot of AI features in the notes application, like AI rewrite, AI summary, AI continue writing, which can greatly help you with your note taking, summarization, and these sort of stuff. Apart from this, if you want to do some math questions or anything, right, for that you're getting some exclusive applications like My Script Calculator and Nebo application as well. Also guys, remember at the beginning I've told you that this is an AI powered tablet, so you're getting plenty of new features like Google Gemini integration, circle to search is also available, translation on the go without switching applications, and features like that. First of all, let me give you a demo on circle to search. So basically, if you're checking out some application, or maybe you're navigating on Chrome, right, and you find something interesting and you immediately want to search for that item, then all you need to do is just long touch on this bottom nav bar over here, and that will enable the search feature. Simply circle the item that you're interested in or maybe want to get information on, and that's it. Bam, there you go. Google search will give you on the go results, guys, and it actually works pretty nice. Look at this, plenty of information, what that item is or maybe what is related to that, some images as well. So just like this, very simple, right? If you find anything interesting on your tab screen, right, in any sort of application, simply use this circle to search to get immediate results on the screen. Last but not the least, the tablet also comes with Lenovo Smart Connect feature. This lets you effortlessly connect with your devices, which can either be a phone, PC, or even your laptop. You don't need to connect any sort of cable. Once you wirelessly pair them, right, you can easily share drag and drop files, which can be like photos, videos, or even documents, for a complete hassle-free wireless experience. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the battery life. On board, you're getting a 7040 mAh lithium-ion battery, and battery life was like pretty good for the price that you're paying. So on a day-to-day moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 50-55%, doing your day-to-day office related works, or maybe like watching a couple of YouTube videos or doing some creative applications with the stylus, with this sort of usage you can easily expect around like 7 to 8 hours of battery life. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Lenovo's all new IdeaTab 2025. It's a great tablet that offers some really promising features at an affordable price tag, right? Especially if you're like a student, or even if you're looking for a day-to-day casual sort of tablet, maybe for like entertainment, a bit of stylus, creative sort of applications, right? And also some casual gaming purpose, right? I think it'll definitely get your job done. Lenovo is also offering 1-year warranty on the device. I'll leave all the details and also product links in the description box below. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.